To access the object styles, on the Manage tab, in the Settings panel, click Object Styles. In the Object Styles dialog, you can control the graphic display of entire categories of elements for the entire project. So really what should happen is the object styles should be specified for the project template. That way, when you create a new project, the object styles will already be specified. In the Object Styles dialog, there are multiple tabs. On the Model Objects tab, you can control the graphic display of model categories. As you scroll through the list, you can see all of the model categories. I'll scroll down to Walls, and you can see the Walls category, and you can specify the projection line weight and the cut line weight, as well as the line color, the line pattern, and material if necessary. Additionally, you can expand a category and see the subcategories. And you can even create new subcategories for a category by clicking New under Modify Subcategories. Just for this example, I'm going to change the wall's color to green. And then I'll click OK to close each of the dialogues. And now, in the floor plan view, we can see all of the walls are green. Additionally, if I open up another floor plan view, we can see that the walls are green here as well. Because once again, the object styles control the graphic display of categories for the entire project. I'll go back to the Object Styles dialog, and we can see that there are additional tabs. On the Annotation Objects tab, you can control the graphic display for annotation categories, such as tags and text notes, so on and so forth. Similarly, on the Analytical Model Objects tab, you can control the analytical model categories. And on the Imported Objects tab, you can see any layers for CAD files that have been imported or linked. If needed, you can always select one of the categories that appears on the Imported Objects tab, and you can simply delete it to remove it from the project. I'll go back to the Model Objects tab, and I'll scroll down to the Furniture category. If you would like, you can apply a material here in the Object Styles dialog. If you click in the Material field and then click the More button, it'll open the Material browser. And then you can simply scroll through the list and find the material, or you can type in the search field and find the material that you want to use. So for example, I'll select one of the materials that appeared when I searched for wood. We'll use the cherry wood material and click OK. And now that material will be used for the furniture category in the entire project. I'll click OK. And next, I will open the Visibility Graphic Overrides dialog. And here you can specify the graphic settings that will override the object styles for this specific view. For example, if I scroll down to the Walls category, and we'll change the cut line color to magenta, and click OK to close each dialog, now you can see that the walls have been overridden for this specific view. But if I go back to the ground floor view, you can see that they are still green, which is what is specified in the Object Styles dialog, whereas everything we overwrote here on the second floor view has been overridden for just this view.
The walls that are green are not cut by the cut plane in this view.